What's up, guys? Bill Berg and Jack right here. We are literally having like so much rain, 350 mils, isn't it? And 350 mils, and like it is just raining everywhere. Like it's like flooding. And we're gonna take a look. Gone down creek, so
Let's go.
yeah, let's go.
Pause.